Math, walang maiiwan. Math-sayang Math-aral tayo ng Math-tuto upang ika'y umasenso. Maging matyaga, maging matalino, halina Math-aral na tayo. Maging matyaga, maging matalino, halina Math-aral na tayo. Halina Math-aral na tayo. Halina Math-aral na tayo. Halina, 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 aral na tayo.
Good day everyone, welcome to Project SONIA. Let me welcome our next speaker. She is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Mathematics at Pangasinan State University of Pangasinan, a Master's degree Master in Mathematics, education at Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Manila, an NTAP trainer, a college graduate, a grade 10 math teacher, Teacher 3, and now junior high school math coordinator. Please welcome Sonia J. Galera.
Thank you, Sir Marray, for the introduction. Good day, Batang MANDunong. Once again, welcome to Project SONIA series of online academic review for Grade 10 Mathematics CLAID Learning Module, Quarter 3, Week 6. I am Teacher Sonia, your lecturer for this session. Are you ready with your activity sheet or CLAID module for Week 6? If yes, let's call your home learning partner and we now start with our advanced lesson.
Our competence in this lesson, we have illustrate events, union, and intersection of events. For our learning objectives, they are illustrate events, union, and intersection of events, and find the cardinality of the union of two sets A and B. To clearly understand the lesson, let us involve first some symbols involving sets and its definition. What is a set? A set is a well-defined group of distinct objects called elements that share a common characteristics. Are you familiar with these symbols? Let us start with the first symbol. Okay, that is a union. What is a union? The union of two sets is a new set that contains all of the elements that are in at least one of the two sets. The union is written as A and this symbol B or A or B. How about the second symbol? Okay, that is an intersection. What is an intersection? The intersection of two sets in a new set that contains all of the elements that are in both sets. The intersection is written as A, the upside down U, B, or A and B. How about that third symbol? Okay, so that is null set or empty set. What is a null set or empty set? A set with no elements. The null set is a subset of any set. Are you familiar with this diagram? Yes, that is a Venn diagram. What is a Venn diagram? It is a pictorial representation of the relationships between sets. What is an event? Event that is denoted by E is a subset of sample space which may contain some, all, or none of the possible outcomes comprising the sample space. It may be simple or compound. Consider this example. In a 6-sided die experiment, A represents the event which the number is even. B represents the event which the number is a multiple of 3. C represents the event which the number is a multiple of 5. This is the representation of the above information using the Venn diagram. In a die experiment, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, since the die has 6 faces. The set of all possible outcomes in an experiment is called sample space, denoted by S. Therefore, the set S has the elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many elements are there in set S? So, kung bibilangin natin yung elements ng set S, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 elements in the set S. This can be written as n of S is 6, which is called the cardinality of a set. The cardinality of a set is the number of elements contained in a set. It is denoted by the symbol n. In the Venn diagram, there are 3 events A, B, and C. Each event consists of elements. Event A, the number is even. So set A has the elements of 2, 4, and 6. Event B, the number is multiple of 3 or skip counting by 3. So in set B, the elements are 3 and 6. Event C, the number is multiple of 5 or skip counting by 5. So the element in set C is 5. The elements of the 3 events, including the elements outside the events, are universal sets. What is referred to here is the element that is outside the event is this one. Universal set is denoted by U, is a set consisting of elements in the totality of all sets under consideration. Therefore, the universal set has the elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The elements of events A, B, and C are in universal set. In other words, events A, B, and C are subsets of universal set. As you can see, the elements in the universal set are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the elements in event A are 2, 4, and 6. What are the elements that are not in event A? Titingnan natin kung ano yung mga elements sa universal set na wala sa event A. So, ano mga yon? Okay, we have 1, 3, and 5. 1, 3, and 5 are the complement of event A, denoted as A prime or read as A complement. So the A complement has the elements of 1, 3, and 5. The complement of an event is the subset of outcomes in the sample space that are not in event. The event B, the elements are 3 and 6. For event C, the element is 5. What are the elements that are not in event B, or the B prime or B complement or the complement of event B? So, titingnan natin sa universal set kung ano yung elements na wala sa event B. So, anong mga yon? So, we have 1, 2, 4, and 5. Therefore, the B complements are 1, 2, 4, and 5. What are the elements that are not in event C? The C complement or the complement of event C. Again, titingnan natin sa universal set kung ano yung elements na wala sa event C. So, ano mga yon? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Therefore, the C complement are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. In this slide, we have the universal set and the events A, B, and C. And the Venn diagram is the representation of the given set in the left side. What is the common element of events A and B? So, event A, we have 2, 4, and 6. In event B, we have 3 and 6. Kung titingnan natin, meron silang common element, which is 6. The two events have a common element, which is 6. It is the intersection of the two events A and B, written as A intersection B is 6. Ibig sabihin, a set of elements common to both events A and B. For the next question, what is the common element of events B and C? Kung titingnan natin ang event B and event C, wala silang common element. There is no common element of events B and C. In symbol, A intersection B is null set or empty set kasi wala silang common elements. Kung titingnan natin sa Venn diagram, yung naka-shaded portion, ito yung intersection ng A and B, the common element, so which is 6. Sa event B and C, since wala silang common element, so hindi sila nag-overlap. Okay? What is A union B? The union of two events A or B is the set of elements that are found in event A or event B or both A and B. Ibig sabihin, pagsasamahin lahat ng elements ng set A and set B. So, ang elements ng A, we have 2, 4, and 6. And elements of B, we have 3 and 6. Take note, kapag isusulat natin ang sagot, dapat ascending order at walang naulit na elements. Okay, so check natin. So, meron 2, 3, 4, and 6. Since dalawa ang 6, dahil yun ang common ng dalawang event, so isang beses lang po natin isusulat. Therefore, A union B, the elements are 2, 3, 4, and 6. Kung titignan natin sa Venn diagram, kung ano yung nasa loob ng circle A and circle B, Yun din yung nakikita natin dito sa elements ng A union B. What is B union C? Okay, so tignan natin yung elements ng B. We have 3 and 6, and the element of set C is 5. So, the union of set B and set C are 3, 5, and 6. So, lahat yun ay ilalagay natin dahil wala namang naulit. So, in the Venn diagram, so, makikita natin na yun din po yung nakasulat sa event C at saka sa event B. Example, given set A with an elements of A, E, I, O, U, and set B with an elements of B, C, D, E, F, G, O. So find A intersection B and B A union B. For A intersection B, we have the elements of A and B. So, titingnan natin kung ano yung common ng dalawang events. So, pag sinabi natin intersection of two events, yung dalawang, yung common sa two events. Okay, so we have E and O. Therefore, A intersection B with an elements of E and O. For letter B, A union B, so here are the elements of set A and set B. So, we have A union B, isusulat natin na sa lahat ng elements na nasa set A and set B. So, we have A, B, C, D, E. So, naulit yung E. Isang beses lang isusulat. F, G, I. So, yung O, dalawa din. So, isang beses lang isusulat. Then, U. So, these are the elements of A union B. Take note, dapat ang elements ay nakasulat siya alphabetically arranged and walang nauulit. Example number 2. There are 10 chips numbered from 1 to 10 in a bag. A chip from the bag is drawn randomly. Let A be the event that the number is multiple of 3. B as the number is a prime number. Find the following. For letter A intersection B. Letter B, A union B. And letter C, A complement union B complement. For the solution in letter A, the set of all possible outcomes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the elements of set S. The elements in event A are the multiple of 3 or skip counting by 3. So we have 3, 6, and 9. So the elements of event A, we have 3, 6, and 9. And the elements for event B are prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors, 1 and itself. So we have 2, 3, 5, and 7. So the elements in set B, we have 2, 3, 5, and 7. And the common elements in event A and event B is 3. So therefore, A intersection B, the element is 3. For letter B, we have find A union B. So, the sample space, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And same din yung elements ng event A and event B. So, we are going to find the union of events A and events B. So, pagsasamahin lang natin yung elements ng event A at event B. So, again, isang beses lang natin isusulat kung mayroong common elements ang dalawang events. So, we have 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 9. So, therefore, A union B, the elements are 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 9. For letter C, find the A complement union B complement. Hanapin natin ang element ng A complement or complement of event A. Ano yung element ng set S na wala sa event A? So, titingnan natin since ang event A, meron tayong 3, 6, and 9. So, ang A complement, we have 1, 2, yung 3 hindi na natin kukunin kasi nasa event A. So, 4, 5, yung 6 nasa event A din siya. 7, 8, and 10. Yung 9 din na natin kukunin na kasi nasa event A. So, therefore, A complement, we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 10. How about the B complement? So, hanapin din natin ang element sa set S na wala sa event B. So, we have 1. Yung 2 meron sa event B. So, hindi natin kukunin. So, we have 4. Kasi meron din yung 3. Then, yung 5 hindi rin natin kukunin. 6. Then, 7 meron din sa event B. So, 8, 9, and 10. Therefore, the B complement, we have 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Then, pagsasamahin natin yung elements ng A complement and B complement. So, that is our A complement union B complement. So, take note, hindi pwedeng maulit ang elements. Okay. And dapat naka-ascending order. So, we have 1, isang beses lang, 2, 4, 5, so yung 6, then 7, yung 8, isang beses lang ilalagay, 9, and 10. So, these are the elements of A complement union B complement. Example number 3. Given. Set Q is the set of all elements in X, such that X is an even number. X must be an even number less than 15. And set T is the set of all elements X, such that X is a multiple of 5. X must be a multiple of 5 less than 20. Find the following for letter A, Q intersection T, and letter B, Q union T. For letter A, we have to list first the numbers less than 15. So, we have 1, 2, up to 14. So we are going to get the even numbers of x less than 15. So meron tayong 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. For set T, we are going to list the numbers less than 20. So we have here. And then we are going to get the multiple of 5 or skip counting by 5. So we have 5, 10, and 15. Then we are going to find the intersection of set Q and set T. So pag sinabi natin intersection, the common elements of the two events. So therefore, the intersection of set Q and set T is 10. So isa lang yung kanilang common. Okay? For letter B, so we are going to find the union of set Q and set T. So pag sinabi natin union, pagsasamahin natin lahat ng elements ng Q at saka ng T. So the union of set Q and set T, we have 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, then 10, isang beses lang isusulat, then 12, 14, and 15. So these are the elements of union, set Q, and set T. Example number 4. Given set A, the elements are 2, 4, 6, and 8. In set B, the elements are 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Find the following. Letter A. Cardinality of event A. Letter B. Cardinality of event B. Letter C. Cardinality of the intersection of A and B. For letter D. Cardinality of the union of A and B. And letter E, draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the cardinality of A union B. For letter A, find the cardinality of event A. Okay, since the elements of event A, we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. So, to find the cardinality of event A, bibilangin lang natin yung elements ng event A. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the cardinality of event A is 4. For letter B, cardinality of event B. So, bilangin din natin ang elements ng event B. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the cardinality of event B is 6. For letter C, find the cardinality of the intersection of A and B. So, hanapin natin yung common elements ng event A and event B. So, ano yung common elements nila? So, we have 4, 6, and 8. Okay. And then, hanapin na natin yung cardinality ng intersection of event A and event B. So, the cardinality of the intersection of A and B is 3 kasi 1, 2, and 3. For letter D, find the cardinality of A union B. So we have the cardinality of set A is 4 and the cardinality of set B is 6 and the cardinality of A intersection B is 3. So to find the cardinality of A union B, we have the formula. So we have the cardinality of set A plus the cardinality of set B minus the cardinality of A intersection B. So we are going to substitute the cardinality of the set A and the cardinality of set B and the cardinality of A intersection B. So we have 4 plus 6 minus 3. Therefore, the cardinality of A union B is 7. For letter E, draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the cardinality of A union B. So we are going to draw a Venn diagram. The first circle is the set A, and the second circle is for set B. Bakit nag-overlap ang dalawang circle? Dahil may common elements ang set A at saka ng set B. So, ang common elements nila ay 4, 6, and 8. So, this is the intersection of A and B. So, the shaded portion here indicates the intersections of two sets. So, if you are going to put the numbers, unahin natin yung elements ng A intersection B. So, we have 4, 6, and 8. Dito natin sila ilalagay sa shaded portion. Okay. And then, in set A, ang remaining element na lang is 2. So, we are going to put here. And then, for set B, the remaining elements, we have 10, 12, and 14. So, ilalagay natin dito 10, 12, and 14. Okay. So, if you are going to count, we have 7 elements. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, that is the cardinality of A union B. Using the formula of the cardinality of A union B, we have the cardinality of A plus the cardinality of B minus the cardinality of A intersection B. So, kung kukunin natin dito sa Venn diagram, kung ilan ang elements ng event A or set A, we have 4. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, ilalagay natin dito, the cardinality of set A is 4. And then, the cardinality of event B, pag binilang din natin, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, we have 6. But, we are going to subtract the cardinality of A intersection B. Okay, kasi naulit sila na binilang natin kanina. So, we have 3. So, therefore, the cardinality of A union B is 7. Example number 5. The Venn diagram on the right shows the number of elements in set A and B. If the cardinality of A union B is 25 and the cardinality of A intersection B is 7 and the cardinality of set B is 10. Find the value of X and Y. So, una nating isosolve yung value ng Y. Since the cardinality of set B is 10, at kung titignan natin sa Venn diagram, ang set B is 7 plus Y. And the cardinality of set B is 10, so we have 10 equals 7 plus Y. So, to solve for Y, we are going to add negative 7 in both sides. So, We have to simplify. 10 plus negative 7 is 3. And the other side, magiging 0 na. Then, naiwan si y. So, therefore, the value of y is 3. And the cardinality of A union B is x plus 7 plus y. Since the cardinality of A union B is 25, so we have x plus 7 plus y. And then the value of y is 3. So, masosolve na natin yung value ng x. So, 25 equals x plus 7 plus 3. So, we have 25 equals x plus 10. Then, we are going to add negative 10 in both sides. So, and then we are going to simplify. We have 25 plus negative 10 is 15. Then, the other side's x na lang. So, therefore, the value of x is 15. Therefore, the value of x is 15 and the value of y is 3. Thank you for watching and happy learning. Once again, I am Teacher Sonia saying, do not worry about your difficulties in mathematics. I can assure you, mine are still greater. By Albert Einstein. Bye!